Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to start multiplication, but before start our multiplication, so one of that problem set is left. So that things today I will discuss at first. Then I will start the new part. So you check, students. So addition and subtraction, that things already I have discussed in my last video, and how to solve this word problem, those also I have discussed. So today I will start from here more about large numbers. So actually these things I will not tell you much about this, because these things already I have discussed when I discussed the first chapter. So how to read the numbers in Indian numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals or Indian numerals, and that international numerals. So those things already I have discussed in the in previous, when I discussed the first chapter. There actually this part is already you learned. So and how to write the number is in place value chart. So that things also I have discussed in my previous video. So you check one things here, students. They see this example 5. Write the number names for the following numbers and write against each whether you have used Indian periods or international periods for writing their names. So you know that that period is very important for this number system, because that's actually help us to, when we read the large numbers. So that's actually help us to how to read actually. Okay, so you check this 2 numbers is given. So actually these things actually not belongs in this chapter. That is already you have learned in the first chapter. Whenever I discuss the first chapter, the numbers, so that time actually I discuss how to read the numbers in Roman in international numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. So these things actually here also is given. You check one thing, the number can be written as. So you know that in Indian place in Indian style, actually we first period we starts to put that periods, we will start it from that extreme right. So you check the after 3 place. So once 9 is in 1's place, 8 is in 10's place, 0 is in 100 place. So after 100 place we put the first commas, and then we count the two numbers. Okay, means after 1000 and 10,000 we put the second commas, then lakh, 10 lakhs we put the third comma. So like this way actually when we read the numbers, so that will be how to read. So you see that 23 is in crore place. So 23 crore 45 lakh 67,089. So this way you have to read the number. But when we talking about that international system, that time actually every 3 digit we put that commas. Okay, every 3 digits. So you check one things, after 3 digit we put the commas. And how to read this number? So in this case actually we use the billion. So billion, million, so like that way. Okay, so 200 billion, so and 567 million 387. So this is actually in international system we read the number like this way. So how that period is help us to read the number. So now you can understand. So next question is our write the numbers by placing the commas correctly. So you see this 23 crores. So you see this that crore. So you understand. So that actually use in that place when you discuss about the place value chart. So we see this crore actually we use in Indian system, not international system. International system we use the term is million, billion, so like that way. Okay, so we use the code. So it is the Indian system. So Indian system, how can you put the comma? So after that if you start that from that 1's place, so after 3 digit we put the first comma, then next after 2 digit we put the comma. So you see that 23 crore 3 crores. So you see that 23 the first commas, then 00 comma, then 00 comma and 000. But when we discuss that second question, so you see that 814 million. So you see this, as I told you, that million, billion, those terms we used for international system. So you check that 814 million 43,275. So you check after 3 digit we put the comma. So whenever you solve this type of problems, you keep in one thing you keep in your mind, that commas is very important for this type of question, because if you place that wrong commas in wrong place, that your total that when you read that that numbers, that will be totally wrong. So whenever you put the commas, you be careful and do perfectly and correctly. So next question is our write the number that matches each of the following expanded form. So expanded form, you know already, that things already I have discussed in a previous video, and actually this part of the question is actually belongs in the first chapters actually. Okay, so these things already you have learned. So that see that 2 into 1 3 3 4 5 6 7. So how many zeros is here? So you see that what is the number is it? So you just simply the multiply this number, and then you add it, and then whatever result is it, you will get. Okay, so that is also the simple how to do this. So it is, you do like this way. The question is here 2 into 1. So how many zeros are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 zeros you put at first. Okay, plus 3. How many zeros? 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 6 into 1000 plus 7. Okay, so this is the expanded form. So how to write that before expanding, what is the number is it? So simply you do like 2 0 0 0 0 0 0. So 6 zeros is here, plus 3 into 5 zeros, plus 6 into 6,000 plus 7. So what will be the number? So 2 3 0 6 0 0 7. Okay, so if you put the comma, so it will be 23 0 6 0 0 7. So this is the actual number. Okay, so like this way you have to solve. You check your answer is right or wrong. So 23,06,007. So you check 23,06,007. So like this way you have to solve the next question also. Next question number, example number 8, express 7 kilometer in terms of millimeter in Indian system. So 7 kilometer equals to, at first you converted this 7 to, so example number 8. So 7 kilometer equals to how much meter? So how much meter is it? At first you find out. So as we know, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 7 kilometer equals to 7 into 1000 meter, right? So it will be 7000 meter. Now that is in meter, but in our question is asking about it in terms of millimeter. So how can you convert that 1 meter to millimeter? So as we know that 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. Okay, so now you converted 7000 meter equals to 7000 into, because 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeters, so 7000 meter equals to 7000 into 1000 millimeter. Okay, so it will be 7,000 millimeter. Okay, now if you put the comma, so how to put? So after 0 put the first commas, then next 2 zeros commas and 70, this mass millimeter. So how can you read the number? So that is actually, it is a 70 lakh millimeter. So this is the answer. So see, check 70 lakh millimeters. So like this way you have to solve the question. Now example number 9. So the population of city A of Himachal Pradesh in a particular year was 2,35,471. In a time span of 10 years, it increased by 72,958. So you check one thing. So after 10 years, that must increased. Before 10 years, that population was 2,35,471. After 10 years, it increased by 72,958. Okay, so in city B, it was 8,01,100, and it also increased by 57,100 in the same span of time. So same span of time means after 10 years, it also, that city B also increased by 57,100. So what was the total population of the two cities after 10 years? So for this case, step by step you have to solve this question. So at the beginning means the before 10 years, the population of city A in the initial year is 2,35,471. So but it is after 10 years it increased by 72,958. So after 10 years, what will be that population of city A? So simply you have to add 2,35,471 and 72,958. So after addition you will get it will be 3,08,429. So now you have to check that what is the population of city B. So in population of city B, in the initial year it is 8,100,000. So but it is after 10 years it increased by 57,100. So what is that after 10 years? What will be the population of city B? So you have to just add 8,01,100 and 57,100. So after doing the addition you will get the result. It will be 8,57,200. So that but in your question is asking about what was the total population of the two cities after 10 years. So the total population of the two cities after 10 years, only you have to add 3,08,429 with 8,57,200. So after add these two numbers, you will get the total population of two cities after 10 years. Okay, so like this way you have to solve. So this type of question, you please read the question properly and you do this some step by step. Okay, so then you will not make any mistake. So okay, so let's start problem set 2C. So first of all students, I don't want to discuss these questions because that's the first question. You see that choose the correct symbol, greater than, less than or equal. So this type of question already I have discussed whenever I discuss the first chapter. So you already know how to solve this question. Simply you write the number is in place value chart and then you check it that which digit the large digit is in which large place. So you have to check like this way and find out this number is greater or lesser. So you check one thing, that how many if that you check that if that two numbers are equal digit, so means equal number of digits. So you check the first numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now you can understand this number is that is greater than this number because this is a 8 digit number and this is a 7 digit number. So obviously the 8 digit number is greater than the 7 digit number. So like this way you have to solve this question. Now question number 2, fill in the blank. So this type of questions also you have solved whenever I discuss the first chapter. And you see the question number 3, place commas correctly and write numerals you read the question, because here just I have discussed this type of question. And next, question number 4, write the number names in international system. So you put the commas and write down this number is in international system. And now you see that commas are already given. You have to read the number loudly and write the numbers. So in name, so means you in word you have to write the number. Now check the question number 6, complete the pattern. So you check one thing, how can you solve this type of question. You check one thing, what is the similarity of these two numbers. So you check one thing. If you start looking from the extreme right, so it will be start 2, 8, 9. So you check that others two numbers also, that is also the last number is 2, 8, 9 or 9, 8, 2. And next you check that what is the number is in thousand place. So thousand place, all three numbers are equal, 19, 19, 19. But you check one thing, what is the number is what is the digit is in lakhs place. So lakhs place you check one thing. Actually the lakhs place, that number is 4, 4, 4. All three numbers are same. The digit is 4, but you check what is the number digit is in 10 lakhs place. So you check in the first number in 10 lakhs place, the digit is 6. Next one is 7. Next numbers that in 10 lakhs place the digit is 7. And next number that digit is in 10 lakhs place is 8. So what will be the next number? So simply it will be, so this is the question number. This is the question number 6, the first question. So the next number will be 94, 19, 982. Okay, so see this one. So now you check the what is the next number. So next number also, so next number is after 94, so it will be after 9, so it will be 10. So 10, so 10, 4, 1, 9, 9, 8, 2. Now we start put the commas. So after 3 digit you put the first comma, then second comma, that's all. So it will be, you check, that is 1 crore 4 lakhs 19,982. So okay, next number will be, so after 10 it will be 11. So 1, 1, 4, 1, 9, 982. Okay, so like this way you have to solve, because you check 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so like this way you have to solve. So the rest two questions you please solve. Now question number 7. What is the question in question number 7? So how to solve? The first question is our, so 2, 2, 9, 5, 3, 5, then 5, 4, 0, 0, 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, then 9, 0, 5, 4. So how can you add those in Indian style? So you check one thing. So 7 plus 4 plus 7, so it will be 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 means it will be 17. 17 plus 5. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so put the value 22 and 2 carry will add, then will go to the next place value. So that means 2 will go to the tens place. So 2 plus 3 it will be 5, 5 plus 1 it will be 6, 6 plus 5, so it will be 11. So you put 1 here and 1 carry will add to the in 100 place. So 1 plus 5 means 6, 6 plus 2 it will be 8. Okay, so now you start that what is the digit is in thousand place, 9349. So start do the addition. So 9 plus 3, so 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 4, so it will be 16. 16 plus 9, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you put 5 here and 2 will go to the next place value, means in 10,000 place. So now you start counting. So 4 plus 5, it will be 9, 9 plus 2, 10, 11, 11 plus 2, it will be 11, 12, 13. So 13, put 3 here and 1 carry will go to in lakhs place. So 5 plus nothing is here, so it means actually 0. So 5 plus 2, it will be 7. 7 plus 1, so it will be 8. Okay, so this is your answer. So like this way you have to solve. Okay, and otherwise if you want to put the place value, means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so if you want, you can write down like this way, and then you start do addition it also. Okay, otherwise you simply write like this way. And when you copy this type of question in your copy, so that time you keep some space in between 2 digits. Otherwise you just you write those all diseases together and no more space is left there, so it will make any type of mistake. Okay, so whenever you write, you keep some space in between 2 digits. That will help you to solve this type of problem. Okay, so next question, all rest of the question you please solve, and also this type of question. So this is also given like this way. So at first you have to write this number is in place value chart and you start counting. Okay, so how can you solve this type of question? So I want to show you that that first is your you write down that which number is the largest one. So you check one thing. So this number, so this is actually 3,33,333. so this number is the bigger number respect to the others. So you please write down at first the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs place. So you put the number like this way: 3, 3. Okay, and next number is 9, 5, 1, 6. The next number is 7, 6, 5, and next one is 1, 6, 2, 5. Okay, so like this way please write down and then you start solve this problem. Okay, so you start counting. So 7 plus 5, so it will be 12. 12 plus 3, so it will be 15. 15, then plus 9, so 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 you write down and 2 you add that will go to the next place. So 6 plus 2, it will be 8. 8 plus 5, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 3, so it will be 16. 16, 17, 18, so 8 you write here. 1 you go to the next place value. So 6 plus 5, it will be 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 13. 13 plus 3, it will be 16. So 6 you write here. 1 will go to the next place. So 1, so 1 plus 6 plus 3, it will be 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 11, so 1 you write here and 1 carry will go to the next place, means the 10,000 place. Then 3 plus 1, it will be 4, and in lakhs plus only the digit is left is here is 3. So simply you write down, put the value 3. Okay, so like this way you have to solve. Next, out of 3,45,679 and 73,245, which number is greater and by how much? So in this type of question already I have discussed in my last video. So in this type of question you have to write this number is in place value chart. So you start writing the number at first. So 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So it is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, and lakhs place. Okay, and the next number is 73,000. So 73,000 245. Okay, so which is the number is the greater number? So this number, the first number, 3,45,679. So this number is the greater number. And but next part of the question is by how much. So for this you have to subtract, because after subtraction we will get the whatever difference you will get. So that's much greater than the first number, that first number is greater than that much from the second number. Okay, so now we subtract 9 minus 5, so it will be 4, 7 minus 3 it will be 3, 6 minus 2 it will be 4, 5 minus 3 it will be 2. But here you see one thing, we cannot subtract that greater number from the greater number from the smaller number. So for this we have to borrow some from the next place value. So here we take that 10,000 from that lakhs place, so it will be actually 14. So 14 minus 7 it will be 7. So already we have taken that 1 lakh from that lakhs place, so it will be no longer 3, it will be 2. So that you put the 2 here, because no more digit is left here, so only whatever digit is left, so that you will simply write down, because 2 minus 0 means it will what that digit itself. Okay, so that this much that greater than the first number than the second number. Okay, so this much greater than. So next part of the next question is the what number subtracted from this gives this. So as I told in my last video that we know that minuend, so minuend minus minuend minus subtrahend equals to difference. Alright, so that you will check one thing, that what number is subtracted from this then gives this, means that whatever is given, so it is actually minuend is given and difference is given. So we don't know what is the subtrahend, so means how much subtracted from that given number, then we will get this value. Okay, so for this you just put the number in instead of this part. So in minuend actually is given 28,541, but we don't know what is the number is in. So this is actually the missing number, we have to find out, and result is 8,546. So if we do like this way, so you that if you subtract this value from this, then that much subtract we have to subtract it from this, and then we will get this. So we write the number like this way, 28,541 and 8,546 you have to subtract, then whatever we will get, let's see. So 1 minus 6, so we cannot subtract the larger number from a smaller number. So for this actually this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, this is 1000 place, and this is 10,000 place. So it's we have to borrow 110 from the tens place. So 110 means how many ones? 10 ones. So 10 plus 1 so it will be 11. So 11 minus 6 it will be 5. But already we have taken 110 from the tens place, so this is actually 3, right? So 3 minus 4 is not possible to subtract, because we cannot subtract a large number from a smaller number. So for this actually we have to borrow 100 from 100 place. So you check this is 100 place, the digit is 5. So if we take 100, so 100 means how many tens is 10 tens. So 10 plus 3, so it will be 13. So 13 minus 4, so it will be, how much is it? So it will be 9. So now it is no longer 5, so it is 4, because already we have taken 100 from the 100 place. So now you check that 4 minus 5, so here also we cannot subtract. So for this we have to borrow 1 1000 from 1000 place, but you check one thing, 1000 equals to how much hundred? 10 so 10 plus 4, so it will be actually it is 14. So 14 minus 5, so how much is it? So it is actually 9. So now you check one thing, so it is no longer 8 because already 1000 we have taken, we borrow from 1000 place, so it is 7. So here also we cannot subtract a larger number from a smaller number, so we have to borrow 10,000 from 10,000 place. So 10,000 equals to how much thousand? 10,000. So 10 plus 7, it will be 17. So 17 minus 8 equals to how much is it? So it will be 9. And now here it is no longer 2, it will be 1 because 10,000 we have taken from the 10,000 place, so it will be 1. So you simply write down 1. So if you subtract 19,995 from 28,541, then we will get 8,546. Okay. So next question number 10. Write the smallest and the greatest number using each of the digit 3, 6, 0, 8, 7, 9 exactly once. Express the difference between the two numbers thus formed in expanded form. So this type of question already I have discussed here. So you check one thing. See this question number 12. Find the difference between the largest and smallest number that can be formed by using each of the digit 730954 exactly 1. So at first you, by using those digits, you have to find out at first the largest number and the smallest number, and then you subtract to find out the difference. So you please do yourself how to solve this question, because this type of question already I have discussed in video, as well as that in I am providing that in that solution in study material. You please check, and next day I will start the multiplication. Okay, so hope students you understood how to solve this question. I want all please solve all question answer in your copy, and you maintain your class copy properly. Thank you students, have a good day, bye, take care, bye bye.